guys, good morning. It's already August 19 guys. It's already Tuesday. So nakapag first load na ko guys ng mga labahin. And then after that, pag natapos na, isasampay ko na guys. And ang gagawin ko today guys is mag-arrange ng aking bureau or mini office. Papakita ko na lang guys pag malinis na tong aking office. So that's it. Ihahang ko na guys yung first load ng labahin ko and then yung last load. Then guys, yung last load na lang. So ito na lang and then tapos na tayo sa labahin for today. Mag-washing lang tayo guys for 1 hour and 3 minutes. So let's start. So ito, ihahang na natin to guys sa balcony. So ito yung mga puting labahan ko. So that is the white clothes guys. And then, meron pa akong isa, yung color. Maya-maya guys, darating na si Kel kasi ngayon, hindi pa sila whole day. Kasi nga first week pa lang. Day is 12:44 pa lang naman. 2 PM yung labas ni Kel mamaya. So, meron pa akong time. So, bali ito guys, tapos na din. So, ihahang na natin. Dali na natin ito guys. Dito na pala si Kel.
Hello.
Kanina, ito yung ating nilabahan. So, ito po ay natuyo na. So, next is this one. So, here.
Hello guys.
Tadaan! So, yan na guys. Yan na yung mini office ko guys. So, I think guys, that's for today. And I hope see you next time. See you on my next vlog. Bye!